Welcome back. It's time for the Financial Week. The agency for Innercity Renewal Limited has entered the flavored beverage business with the launch of its first product, Murray Water. Kerry-Ann Simpson has the details.
Executive Chairman of the Agency for Innercity Renewal Limited, Dr. Henley Morgan, calls it Jamaican culture in a bottle. He's referring to a new line of themed beverages and undertaking by the agency. It's called Murray Water.
Within each of those, you have variants of flavors. So this one is Murray Water Natural. Okay, the next one is going to be Murray Water Active, because we're using, and the other one is going to be Murray Water Code. So we do our little research at the street level.
Research too on a scientific level, which was spearheaded by Technological Solutions Limited.
The product is infused with natural flavors and herbal essences derived from the cannabis plant and others to give a refreshing flavor that is unique. It has 0 calories, 0 sweeteners, nothing other than all natural, refreshing, hydrating goodness.
From a branding perspective, Dr. Morgan acknowledged the stigma attached to marijuana itself. It was also an initial concern of the producers of the product, Spike Industries Limited.
We ourselves were initially a little skeptical about producing a brand with that name because of what we think it implies. But we were assured by both Dr. Morgan and Dr. Gordon that we had nothing to worry about because it's really not marijuana that we are producing or any marijuana-based product. And for that, we are happy and happy to be associated with the brand. And we expect that it will be significantly successful, yeah, as it hits the palates of both local and international consumers.
And this assurance by Dr. Morgan.
Really no have no ganja or marijuana. But you know, the cannabis family is extremely large, right? And through science and Dr. Pat, we were able to unlock what is actually the most common compound in all of plant kingdom.
This project is being financed by the TVJ. For the Financial Week, I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson.
To news on the stock market, the JSE index advanced by 519 points, while the junior market index declined by 11 points. The 47 advancing shares were led by Paramount Trading, JMMB Group 8.5% US dollar share, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, MFS Capital Partners, and Transjam Highway US dollar shares. 39 shares declined, including Margaritaville Turks, Stanley Motor, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, and 138 Student Living. 23 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency traded ended with Banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $159.47. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.58. The pound is going for $213.18, while the euro is selling for an average $108.19. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week are after the break. Stay with us.